Introduction. Hey, today the weather outside is pretty cool. Come, dear friends, let us go to school to read, to write, and to play. We will go to school every day. In this lesson, you will learn about our school. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to tell the need of school, recall the rooms in a school, describe classrooms and playground of school. What do you wish to become when you grow up? A doctor, an engineer, a lawyer, or a teacher? For this, you need to go to school daily. A school is a place where you learn to read, write, and play. A school has many rooms such as principal's room, staff room, and classroom. A classroom is a place where students sit and study. The classrooms should be airy and clean. You can find a blackboard, chalk, duster, tables and benches in a classroom. The teacher writes with chalk on the blackboard. The students sit on benches and keeps their books on the table. Playing is as important as studying. All work and no play makes Jill a dull boy. So friends, you all must play besides reading and writing. The school has big playgrounds where children can play. You should have proper time for playing and studying. Therefore, school is a place where you learn and play. You should go to school every day in neat and clean uniform. Summary. Let us have a quick recap on what we have learned. A school is a place where we learn to read, write, and play. The classroom is a place where students sit and study. The school has a playground to play.